welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming an updated house tour. It has been a while since I filmed my last one and a lot has changed. A lot is still the same also, but I have made some upgrades, definitely decorated a little bit, and it's starting to come together and be more like my space, my home. I feel comfortable here and happy, and I wanted to share all the changes I've made with you guys. So it's a little bit messy, but I think it's lived in. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I've changed my house since the last time I've showed you guys, keep watching and enjoy this little tour. So just as I started before, the front door, I have finished painting everything. Hopefully I'm getting some storm doors this spring so I can keep this door open and get more light in here. Excuse the messy couch. This is Makoa's spot and all of my yarn stuff is over there. But I got this awesome rug. Also, you're gonna see Makoa's toys everywhere. I got this awesome rug from, I believe, Rugs USA. It's real wool, so it does a lot of shedding, which is fine. I just vacuum it all up or sweep it all up, whatever I'm feeling that day. Got this new coffee table, which I might have had the last time I talked to you guys. Not sure, but it's from TJ Maxx. And then the elephant in the room. I no longer have carpet. I was finally able to get some flooring put in. I think I got this put in about 8 months ago, and I am loving how it looks in this room. So all the baseboards are now painted the gray color. Got a nice TV mounted on the wall, and my plant obsession you guys are about to really witness. So my entertainment system is still the same. Still have yarn in here, all my crochet and knitting stuff, just some books and a ton of plants. I'm gonna do a separate plant tour so I can show you guys all of the plants, but here's a little overview. This was my Christmas tree and I just can't take the lights off because I think it looks so cute. This little plant stand is from TJ Maxx. Over here we have my beautiful Monstera. And then here's this side of the room, all of Makoa's toys, this beautiful vintage shelf I got off Facebook Marketplace. I have a couple plants on the top, and then this is all storage stuff for, it's mostly plant stuff, and then it's stuff that I'm wanting to hang on the walls over here eventually when I have everything that I want to put on there. So there's a couple baskets in there, but yeah, it's so cute. I absolutely love this thing. And then I just have this random table with some decorations here. This is eventually going to go away. And then on the windowsill, of course, more plants. And then I have a couple of these plant hangers here that I feel like really make this house or this room extra cozy. These are also from TJ Maxx, which is one of my favorite places to get decor. It's so affordable. So a couple plants in there. And then we go into my bedroom, which I haven't focused on as much as I have the living room. Here's a little overview of the living room from this side. Sorry if this is a little chaotic. I am not used to filming these types of videos. I also have not gotten blinds yet. We're working on it. But bedroom. So the closet's basically the same. Got some clothes in there as one does and a bunch of other junk. And then I have moved my yarn shelf from the other wall to over here because I got a new dresser that I'll show you guys. But this is eventually going to get an upgrade as well. I just haven't figured out everything in the bedroom yet. Like, I need to find a place that I can store this stuff. It has to stay here, but I feel like there's a better way. I don't know. But this shelf is from IKEA. I got my laundry basket here, which is from TJ Maxx. This is from Home Goods. Makoa absolutely loves it. He got it for Christmas. He loves this thing. And then over here, this is all pretty much new. I got this dresser off of Facebook Marketplace for really cheap, and it was already done up like this. I just could not resist. I really wanted a long dresser for this space. If you guys remember, I had a standing dresser over here that was from IKEA, and it was broken and terrible. But I knew I wanted a long dresser for this area, and I saw this one, and I just couldn't resist. It was super affordable too. So I have all my hand knits over here and then just regular clothes over there. Have my ficus, and then it's a little messy up here. These are things that I want to frog eventually and reuse the yarn for. And then I have this mirror that I got from TJ Maxx. Shocking. I have my beautiful philodendron horsehead philodendron. I forget the real name, pedatum, possibly. And then a book that I got from the Goodwill, which I actually really like this book if you guys are interested in a good read. It's kind of like a comic book almost, but I really enjoyed it. My really sad Maranta, some jewelry. I just need to clean this off, to be honest with you. And then, oh, this beauty. I absolutely love this mirror. I got it off of Facebook Marketplace for a steal, and then I just couldn't resist, so... Then I have my basket with my blankets. This is all gonna get adjusted as well. I also want to hang some stuff on the wall, but again, I'm focusing more on the living room, finishing that up, and then I'm gonna come into the bedroom. Got Makoa's stairs to get on the bed, which is still the same. I do want to get a new bedspread and everything. I just, again, not really focusing on the bedroom right now. Eventually, I'll get a new side table as well, hopefully, but for now, this is the bedroom. Not a whole lot has changed. I am wanting to get a rug for in here as well. Just haven't been able to pick one out that I really liked. That's my main focus, is just finding things that I really enjoy that I want to keep forever. Like my mirror, my dresser. Those are things I'm planning on probably having in my life forever. So let's move on to the kitchen. Not much has changed in here. I did get all of these totes and stuff into the garage. The guy that was renting my garage as storage has finally moved out, and I moved a couple of things in there. This is my old mirror that I'm wanting to sell. I just haven't gotten to it yet. Paint that I didn't want to put in the garage because I didn't want it to freeze. And then some other storage things. Here's the totes for my holiday stuff I still need to get sorted and put in the garage. And I am currently working from home. So this is my work from home setup, which is less than perfect. Trust me, I'm enjoying the plant view. The plant view is awesome. But the seating makes my back hurt, and there's not a whole lot of room to do anything, but this is just how it's going to be right now. So I got this table off of Facebook Marketplace, and then I found these chairs on Facebook Marketplace separately. If you guys are looking to furnish a home with like a particular style, for sure, check out Facebook Marketplace, obviously. Like, they have the best stuff. I have a style, as you guys can tell, it's very boho, so I always keep an eye out for this like vintage rattan stuff. I have a couple of chairs and a table on my front porch as well that are so cute. But yeah, really like this setup for eating, not necessarily for a home office, but as you can tell, I don't have a whole lot of space. But I did just hang these clear acrylic shelves up for my plants, and let me get you an angle from the side. They are so cute. They were so easy to install. I did it all by myself. Highly recommend. I will link the Etsy shop that I got them from down below, but I can't wait to finally paint the kitchen and everything. I've been putting it off because I'm not sure what I want to do in here. I have an idea that eventually I'm gonna have to move my furnace, which is in my closet. So what we're thinking is boxing this area in and making it a laundry room since the kitchen is so big. So this may be its own separate room for like utilities and stuff. Obviously we would move the fridge into the kitchen area, but close all this in, and then I'd have this for storage that nobody can see. My washer and dryer would be in a whole separate room, and then I could move my furnace in there as well. So the kitchen is still a very big work in progress. I haven't figured it all out, which is why I haven't painted yet. But I am really considering just going ahead and doing a quick paint on the cabinets, painting the walls and trim, just so I can feel a little bit happier with the way it's looking, because it's the only room left that doesn't have fresh paint, and it does make me a little sad to look at. It's pretty drab with this color of cabinets and everything, but I hung a plant up here, which makes it feel a little bit better. I have plants over there, and overall, really liking it. My mom suggested that I put some grow lights in these shelves and just fill it with plants, which is always an idea that I'm not opposed to. But again, just figuring it all out. I do know for a fact I will be tearing this cabinet out, putting exposed shelving here, and then filling it with plants, of course, because it's got a window. But yeah, I am looking to get another rug for under here. You guys know last time I had one. Definitely need one. This room gets pretty cold, and Makoa's paws are always cold. But then the bathroom, I did redo the bathroom. I basically just gave it a fresh coat of paint and got all new like things. So we got some stuff from Target. This whole project only took me $150, which is awesome. I had all the leftover paint from the other rooms. And yeah, I basically just painted the lower half the gray color. Obviously, I need to do some touch-ups. And then I painted the rest of it the white color that I painted the walls in the other rooms. And then I just got all new black hardware, like for the shower curtains and everything. And I'm really happy with the way that it turned out for a really affordable price. Do need to get this sink fixed. It does not work, which is a bummer, but it's fine. We'll get there eventually. We are in no hurry. This is my house for a very long time, hopefully. So I can just take my time with it, and I feel very comfortable here. So that is everything that I've done to my house since the last time you saw me. It's been slow going, but I've done a lot, I feel. I'm very happy with the things I've accumulated. I don't feel like I've gotten a whole bunch of junk and that I'm not going to have forever. The pieces I'm buying, I'm trying to invest in, but a lot of them are secondhand, so that's been nice. A little last minute walk through here. This is obviously where I spend most of my time, on the couch. And I just love this room so much. So I can't wait to finish this one, move on to the bedroom perfected, and then just keep moving down the line. So I know this video was really quick and probably a little all over the place. I don't know, there's been some changes, and I know some people were asking for an updated house tour, so I thought I'd give it to you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions for anything, please. I am so open to them. I am a first-time homeowner, so all of this is very new, and there's definitely some things that need to be changed, but I also am realistic about what I'll be able to get for this house down the line. It's very quirky. A one-bedroom shotgun style house is not everybody's taste, so I'm not trying to throw a whole bunch of money into it, but at the same time, I do want to upgrade it and make it a home for myself for the future, and also another family in the future. I say family, but probably another person or two in the future. But anyways, I will be doing a plant tour eventually where I'll go over all the plants that I have. I just want to get my work from home stuff out of here and go back to the office, so everything feels a little bit easier to reach, because currently all my plants are being hidden by computer stuff. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!